bless you and welcome on today's video. I am going to do a power of cleaning some areas in my home, especially my counters. They kind of got a little cluttered and I need to clean them, and maybe some other areas. So thank you so much for joining me. Welcome to reality.
So friends, today I'm going to take down my table. I had a Valentine tablescape, and you will see me clean my table, putting everything back in its proper place. Today's collaboration is with Miss Jessica Rose, and we do this on the first Tuesday of the month and the last Tuesday of the month. And if you want to join with us in the 1 hour power of cleaning, please DM Miss Jessica on Instagram. There is also a playlist, and there will be other creators joining us in this collaboration. Please do stop by and watch the playlist. Thank you, Jessica Rose, for putting this together. So friends, thank you so much for coming along with me on my 1 hour cleaning on today. I hope it brings you some inspiration. If my voice sounds a little scratchy today, it's just pollen season. That's all it is. So I'm just going to take down my Valentine decorations and put it up, hopefully for next year. And then you will see me clean down my table. Here I'm just going to spray some vinegar and water. Usually I put a different type of furniture polish, but I'm just going to use just some basic vinegar and water and just use a microfiber cloth to clean everything down. For now, being that it's still February, I'm just going to continue to keep my vase here with the red Valentine flowers I use for my centerpiece. And these were flowers I bought from Hobby Lobby. And I also have some Dollar General flowers. So they are so pretty, so I'm going to keep these up. I might just put them in another room because they actually look like real flowers. So everything that I took off my table, I'm going to put it in my credenture. I want to try to keep things in order because I did clean this in my 4 weeks cleaning, and I will add that video in my description box because I'm telling you, friends, once you don't organize these things, we got to keep it all together. This is a powerful 1 hour of power because it helps me to get some things done. So now you see what I mean when I said I have to get rid of some clutter today off of my counters. You know, I constantly have a drop spot, so I have to still work on that. So I'm going to have to move some things and put them in the right place. Now, this is my kitchen island, and yes, it is a mess, but I'm going to go ahead and organize it because I always keep my air fryer and a few other things down here. But I did saw an organization pull-out shelf at Aldi's. I think it was $30. I think I'm going to try that down here to try to get it to keep it organized. That's my plan. So hopefully that will work in keeping this island organized. What spot you have to declutter in your home that you constantly keep decluttering, and you have to really figure out a master plan? Guys, it's under this kitchen island. So I'm going to try to just organize it. These things are actually in the wrong place. I want to take time and thank everyone for watching on today. And if you're new, I would love for you to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I thank God for everyone and appreciate everyone that's been coming back to my videos. God is so good, and I thank you and I appreciate it. In that basket in the back, I have aluminum foil, Ziploc bags that I took out of the boxes because I have a lot of Ziploc bags and didn't have no space. So I end up using this basket for extra storage for things, that I have, like Ziploc bags and aluminum foil and just extra things. And some I do have in the door. So I'm gonna clean up under here and just get the vacuum and vacuum out some crumbs. And guys, put the air fryer under here and that will do it. Yes, this looks a whole lot better. Okay, now let's move on to the next area. Here, friends, you will see me remove some more things off the counter, just putting up a few grocery I picked up this morning, and then move some other things that's out of place. And then next you will see me clean down the counters. Those there are my Valentine little decorations that you use for candy or strawberry. I'm just putting those up. And like I said, with just a few things here that I just need to put up and put in its rightful place. Those pecans I got from my sister-in-law mother, and I'm telling you they're good because I love eating nuts. I love nuts. How many of y'all love some pecans and peanuts? I love it. So as you see, it's not as bad as it had looked. It's just taking a few minutes out of your time just to put things in this rightful place. For right now, I'm just gonna leave my cutting boards right here, up here, and the bananas, and I think that'll work for that. Wow, I think I needed that light. It makes it look so much better on the film. So I'm just going to clean the coffee station area. What I'm doing here, just moving things out the way. I'm going to throw this in the trash because it's already used up. So here, guys, is my coffee station. I did something for Valentine, but unfortunately, I ran late and I could not get the Valentine tier tray coffee station out, but I might end up just doing a short with it. So after Valentine's Day, don't be surprised if you see it. Now, these are my little cute little rolling pins from Hobby Lobby. That one said, I love you. So I'm going to take time to clean everything down here, and I'll be right back with you. I'm just going to set the coffee cups back up here. I was going to leave the red valentine flowers there, but I ended up moving it as I readjust and put all the cups back in order. I do need to do something different to this coffee station, but it's not going to be today. Those are those beautiful cups right here. I got that one from Ross Prayer, Pray Always. That's my prayer cup. And the gold one says, hello, handsome, and hello, darling, or beautiful. Hello, beautiful. I think that's what it says. So now, guys, we're almost to this and finished in, but I just got to spray down with the vinegar and water and sanitize these countertops. I tell you, it looks so much better when it's not cluttered, right? I already see an improvement. So this video came right on time for me to do in an hour of power of cleaning. So if you jump on in, guys, you can tape while you're cleaning. It's just that simple. I need to do a video just cleaning down my appliances, but it's not going to be on this video because it'll end up being too long. I put that cup there because I said I was going to make me some cappuccino this morning, and I went out, left out the door, went to work, and forgot about it. I said, oh, I meant to make some cappuccino. So this is the reveal, guys. See, it's so much better. It's shiny. It looks beautiful. So I thank you so much for joining us on the day. And I pray the Lord bless you to prosper and be in good health as your soul shall prosper. And please do follow me on Instagram. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye-bye from Penny.